thing I like most about getting a good workout in, aside from the adrenaline rush, which I'm still kind of new to, is the way that it allows me to keep my nerves and my endocrine system in sync with itself. If I didn't have that going on, I swear it would probably be a different world, which I do. I use all of my resources to be and feel the best of my ability, or to what I choose at any point in time during the day. Excuse me. That was what I just got done eating. Anyway, the biggest or just maintain my muscle size. So I already know that I can't go much more than 2 weeks at a time, which I don't intend to. So I don't intend to wait that long between bouts of like getting a real workout. Currently, my sitting weight is between 190 and 200, so it bounces between those two. Literally today, I used two different scales, and one told me 198, and then the other told me 191. So plus or minus 6, but I don't think it changed that drastically in about 30 minutes. But I did weigh myself on an official scale, and it was 200. So the good news is that because I'm that weight, my body has had time to acclimate to it. I didn't realize before I started actually building muscle and stuff like that there would be all the potential for the body in different types of growths and different types of fatigue that the body could go through if you don't utilize the right amount of nutrients or supplements. So BCAAs has become my best friend, and it's a vibe, you know what I mean? So yeah, the next few clips are just gonna be some pics of part of my workout. Sometimes I do free weights. This time I just decided to stick to one machine, well, a few machines, but mainly on one machine for most of my upper body, which is still sore. Yeah, still sore, but I'm mostly not sore. So 85 on the triceps, about to add it to 90 and see what it do. Did a solid 8, so I have to bump it up to 100. Like, I've always been hyperactive, so I haven't actually had many instances where I got to compare how my body interacts without a lot of movement all the time. So the good news is that I don't have to make that decision. I definitely care about my health. I care about my well-being, and all the different ways in which I can accomplish that with. Things that I had to figure out about working out and results were my maintenance and my maintenance calories, and how many calories I should get in order to increase my muscle size. I'm always physically active, so the great news now is that I get to specialize on certain parts of myself and see where that takes me. Seven by 3. If this is a personal gym, I might spend more time trying to get me in action. It's from 45 minutes to an hour long, so I got a few warm-ups, shots, and some other things in there, just in case you're interested in the types of things that I do.